Yo, M Theory dropped this sample on me. Check this out. I'm working out this new song. Yeah. 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 To my family. And my family. Yeah. Yeah. I saw you down, now I see you above me. We used to play dead or alive instead of clubbing. Smoked a little green instead of sipping the bubbly. Made up stories with our imaginations. You were my inspiration, but a lot of people were hating, and I didn't realize it till after the separation. You had a beautiful mind, sweet disposition, a hella vibe behind, and me always wishing to be yours. Took my chances, kept asking psychedelic enhancements and slam dances. Slept on the edge of your bed when I was crashing. Had to hide the fact that I wanted your passion. Turned it to a dragon when I thought that you were leaving. Now I wish I had control over the fire I was breathing. Something I believed in for all rhyme and reason. Change of my season, but can't stop the dream. So, yeah. Thought she was the best one. Maybe it's the next one. It takes a lot of work to keep your heart in check, son. Thought she was the best one. Maybe it's the next one. Yeah. It takes a lot of work. I saw you in my past, wishing I was farther behind, making me feel like I'm in the wrong time. But mentally, you were on a level I can deal with. Always, you were the one that I can keep it real with. Tastefully unrefined and still classy. Cleopatra, beautiful, sexy, sassy. Top shelf drinks in the middle of the night, and I favor it. Animated shows just right, no games, no hype. I wanted to be your man, but I had a few issues you didn't understand. Another part of me drew a line in the sand, and I couldn't make it across without a hand over my eyes and ears. Maybe I'm wrong, but until time tells, I keep moving along. So we stay friends above all other things. Best friends for life, no matter what life brings. Thought she was the best one, maybe it's the next one. Thought she was the best one, maybe it's the next one. Thought she was the best one, maybe it's the next one. Takes a lot of work to keep your heart in check, son. I saw you working, built like a stallion, eyes like the moonlight. Come to my island, heard from a little bird that you want a massage. Take my number, never show you a facade, only realness. Fresh reaction to your feelings. You like my tracks, now that's a sweet deal. It's nice to see you smiling. We can be friends for a while, and maybe we'll go the next mile. And I like the melody of the sweet things you're telling me. Got me feeling nervous, others feel jealousy. Let me cook you breakfast at night, cause you like it. Maybe we'll catch the next bite and the triad somewhere private, no jiving. Let me give it to you and see what I get. And if it doesn't last, then I have no regrets. But let's put that aside, it's not over yet. Yeah, it's just a practice. Check it out.